Hi, and welcome to this new Outlook video. Microsoft added kind of a new option to the new Outlook, and it's like adding some design to the template. I don't know, there is no name because when I hover over it, there is nothing, there is no tooltip, there is nothing saying what's the name of this option, but let me call it the quotation option and because it has these quotation marks. So let me highlight the text and show you what it does. So yeah, it's just adding kind of a highlight to a text and make it look like a quotation. And the weird thing is we can't change the color of this line on the left side. I tried myself, but I couldn't. I went to table and then I tried to change the design of the border, but it did nothing. You can see I'm changing the design of the whole table, not the line here. So it makes no sense at all. That's all. See you in another video.